really neutral and oh, it's supposed to be a shorty. I recognize what is this? Recognize this, not I recognize. Interesting. Fair enough. There you go. Wait, I can crouch that. Interesting. That's supposed to be that. Take care, Sherry. Oh, Rekka time. You are looking snazzy, sir. You should be wrecking so much right now. This ground game is annoying. That works too. You should be poking me with Rekkas. Ow.
And the battle continues. Fight!
Is that his command grip? I'll look at that in a second. You want punch. It's probably something like, I would assume it's QCF punch. And you have them very nice. Oh, I was too early. Not worked. Look here, Nick.
Pick up the pace. Fight!
take a look at that. Someone sent me a message and I don't know who. Before I lose... Who the hell was it? Ah, I see.
Curtain is raised on the world's most extreme fighting tournament. Who will walk away victorious?
I don't have a very good camming. Oh dear.
South America, it's like a joke. The stage of battle is
Evening, Sunny.
begun. Fight!
Let's see. Isn't it? There it is, okay. Ow. He gets like a very unhappy person. Fair enough. There it is.
Will the tide of battle turn? Fight!
There it is. Why wasn't it coming out before? Oh wow. That was silly. That was absolutely silly. Why did that happen? I was in range. No, that was dumb. Ow.
What will happen now? Fight! The fight is underway.
Star Wars. Nash. I assume that is what you're doing. Fair enough. Marathon man. That was supposed to... Why did I jump there? I'm going to have to look at that whiffed focus, because that was silly. I know I was right on top of it. That might be a bug.
It's the battle of the century. Fight!
Randall, I'm punching people in the face. Now is not the time to discuss my perfect day. Pick up Shorty. Because why not? Ow. And he just woke up and drop kicked me. Don't.
Will the tide of battle turn?
Alright. He has air game. Oh, what the hell? Why not? Now I'll save the meter. Way too early. Oh, I tried to Shoryu that. That was supposed to be a Shoryu as well.
And the battle continues. Fight!
That was supposed to be a Shoryu. Here we go. That was supposed to... I just... Fair enough. Ow. I was hoping that... I can combo after that, why didn't I? Ow! It's fine, I can still... I don't think I've ever played a Guilty Gear. I've just never bothered. I don't mind it. As in, it's not unappealing to me, I just never bothered.
It's survival of the fittest on a global scale. Who among the challengers will make it to the top?
Now which one is the one I want? This might be the same thing I did before, I don't remember. Method of fighting would I prefer to learn. God damn it, this is not the right one. I wouldn't mind. Ow. Jeet Kune Do, I guess. Alright. Yeah, I deserved it. Good block. Ow. Really? Because this hitbox is so big, I can't adequately vortex him, I don't think. Yeah, see, that happens. Interesting. What's her super is that. Have a good night, Ever. See if I can pull this off. There it is. Why did I try it? I know better. See if this whiffs. Yeah, what the hell? Maybe that's intended. I don't think I've ever used Geef. I might have used him once. Next time, Masters. Oh, speaking of Geef. Okay, if you're going to wear that hat, the shorts aren't... You and your fracking lariats. God, Geefs normally destroy me. Just lariat through my fireballs. And then green hand, range, and do that. Damn it. Oh dear. Just right through it, and that was an absurd amount of damage. I am the fashion police. I have a badge and everything. There's not what I wanted. Ow. Jeez. Just normals all day. That's silly for an anti-air. Please no, Geef. Something... Is that my phone? Why not? Geef, please. Oh, there's the first SPD. Ow. Bucket. God damn it. It's supposed to be wasting meter. Like that. Well, I guess it's not much. That was scary. Screwed it up. Geef, no, goddammit. All of my feelings. And I screwed it up again. Why is... Fuck it, I'm doing it. Now Ken's outfit here will be extremely stylish. Alright, he's a Shoto. Geef, please. Alright. You might kill me. I hate grapplers so much. What's his anti-air outside of that? What's his kick? It is. There it is. I don't think that's gonna kill. It might. Okay. Yeah, I deserved it. The damage is so absurd. Alright, step kick. I don't even remember your bloody... What is your super? Jeez. And I don't know if I can... I might be able to. I deserve that. Not gonna kill. It killed. Why did it kill? Oh, that was a mistake. Get away. There he is. There it is. Yeah, so that... Yeah, I deserved it. Get away. Yeah, I deserve everything I gave, please. Oh, believe me, Gordahan, I know. I usually don't. That is a fabulous Vega. Wow. Sakura. I don't mind it. This is actually one of my favorite themes from the OST. Although I think my favorite would be the staff roll in Super. No claw. That was silly. Why'd you have your claw? You should be poking me. Be really annoying with, what is it? Isn't it just, forward heavy punch? I deserve that. There you go. Mistake. At least you don't have your claw anymore. Oh, goddammit. Yeah, that's exactly what you should be doing. See how much damage that does? That is absurd. Too slow. God damn it. Have a good night, Beansprout. Most and least favorite video games for most. Guy, Interesting. Forgot he existed. FF7, MGS3, Resident Evil 2 for best. And I guess throw The Last of Us in there. Although it doesn't have the replayability as the others. That slide had you either... Well, you probably know. Yeah, you know. Okay. For least favorite. It was a Silent Hill. Least favorite. Resident Evil 6. Yeah, it's Silent Hill. That was very quick. Hold on. And if you were just a little closer, I would not have been able to jump that. Want a reaction? Sure you would.